Good morning. We looked at the house the day before yesterday, and 2 bedroom, 1 bath, basement. It's 700 square feet. And for some reason, I'm thinking that's not counting the basement, because that house, I've got a 550 square foot house in town, and this house was bigger, just the house not counting the basement, than that house was, with no basement. So I'm thinking it's 700 foot just for the house, not including the basement that's got the laundry room and just big open area, pretty much. The house they're asking $69,900 for the house, so I'd pretty much have to have a $14,000 down payment on it. Let's see, I would cash flow at rent. If the rent was $605, and the reason I say $605, it's already got tenants in it, and right now they're paying $550, and I couldn't make money like with $550, and it's way below market value anyway. So I'd buy the house, up their rent to $605. So that's just a 10% jump. And I'd cash flow $170 a month, which would be about $2,040 a year. It'd take about 7 years to get my money back, and I think it's like a 12% ROI, which is way lower than what I'm used to getting. Let's see. So 12% being lower than what I'm used to getting. There's nothing else on the market available. I looked at 2 houses a couple weeks ago, and they were just trash. I couldn't. One of them they wanted way too much money for, and that one come with a trailer, and the trailer was, the best thing you do with that is just haul it off. The house was laid out all funky. Another house I looked at, it could have been nice. It could be a nice house, but it's going to take a lot of money and a lot of time to get into it, so I wasn't interested in that. This one is a turnkey operation. It's put your money in, get your money out type of deal, and I'm kind of leaning towards thinking about getting it. My wife is not extremely impressed with the numbers, because it's less than what we're used to. I'm starting to think a little differently about things, because like I said, this one I'd only make a couple $1,000s a year, and that ain't a whole lot. It's like it's like getting a 98-cent an hour raise at work or something like that, right? But I was looking at it from a perspective of once it's paid off, because I do 20-year mortgages, so in 20 years the thing will be paid off, and then I'd be making, I'd be cash flowing like $6,000 a year off over $6,000 a year off this thing. So I'm really swinging towards getting it. I just gotta run through the numbers with her a few times, and I'm pretty sure she'll let me get it. Now, I'm gonna tell you this, most of the time when I buy a new house, I like to do a little tour and make a video of it and everything. I obviously won't be able to do that with this one, because people living there, and they probably kind of see that as imposing on their privacy or whatever, and I don't want to upset them. And I've already talked to them. They're extremely happy living there, and they've been there for 5 years, so I don't think they're going to go anywhere. I think, I buy this house, I'll just have a house that I'm making money on for the rest of my life. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. I want to know, y'all think it'd be better off if I went ahead and got this house, or do you think I'd be better off to just stack cash for another however long it takes for the market to level out? I kind of got first look at this house because the lady that owns it has become friends with these tenants, and she doesn't want to see them booted out, and I don't want to see them booted out either. I'd rather just move that cash flow over into my pocket. But like I say, let me know your thoughts on whether you think I should get the house or just keep stacking cash until something better comes up. And have another way of looking at it, hopefully. Talk to you real soon. Like, subscribe, and share, and y'all be good.